Guys, today we will start building a software with advertisement where your clients can compare the gas prices within their location, and there will be advertisement on the page. So every time somebody clicks on the page, you get a little bit of money because of the advertisement, and the users are happy because they can can save money on gas. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I have created a new folder called gas prices, and I think first we just need the index.html and a server.js file, and maybe for security reasons, a .env file. And here I have a program. I can just drag and drop new user interface. It's the HTML. It's the HTML. What you see is what you get. Designer add-on. Very good. And with this we can start editing our user interface, and this the created HTML code can serve as a prompt. So I would say input here, and maybe a select, and then a button, and I would also choose a label. Okay, then we have these elements. Input, then we have a label. I would just say find the cheapest gas in your area. Cheapest gas in the area. Cheapest gas in the area. Button, I would say start. Or start searching. Oh fuck. Save. And then the select, I would say select your fuel type, because in Europe, I don't know how it's in America, but in Europe there is diesel and normal gas and different types of gas and fuel for cars. So some cars cannot use normal gas and they need other gas. So yeah, this is probably important. Select your fuel type, and with the I would also cheapest gas in an area, and here I would also put a label like select area here, and also copy this and paste, and then we have select fuel type, select or input area, wait, Input cheapest gas in your area, input area. And where's the select? Oh, okay. Then this will not be good. Ah, select fuel type. Okay. Okay. This is I would say this is good for a prompt. Now the AI kind of knows what we are thinking about. This is just a minimal page. And I would also want to have a maybe a frame to actually an image here. So when you have advertisement on your website, then you have here a field for advertisement. Image style, say ID, ID space for advertisement. What the fuck happened now? Space for what? Space for ad. What the fuck is going on here? Advertising. I don't know, somehow my new computer is annoying the fuck out of me. So, yeah. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Then I would recommend you open a new terminal. New terminal. And then use ls. That is lists all the files. And your AI now knows what is working with. Okay, I have made a folder for the gas price comparison website. Can you upgrade my HTML file so it looks more modern and aesthetic? And then you just give him the HTML file. Okay, absolutely. I can turn into a clean modern aesthetic layout without the absolute positioning chaos. Okay, what improved? Modern clean cut. Okay, everything else we will do later. Now we just want to see how they have made this. Open with designer. Okay, run, start debugging. Let's go to Edge and see. advertising space, enter your, okay, choose fuel type, diesel, super plus, okay. Yeah, those are the fuel types we have in Germany. Or most likely. Start searching, okay. Then, okay, how can I now create a backend? Or how can I now create the functionality in the server.js where some body types in their area in the US, and when you push start searching, a second window is opened with the case prices a, I don't know, 20-mile radius. Okay, first we need to update your inputs. First we need to make something in the script file, and no, wait, no, it's double, right? This happening here, script. I just want to copy the script. Script, and then we need to update the input select and okay, then we run start debugging. Please enter an area. Okay. Say no log. The tag was not found. Yeah, okay, probably it is looking for the server HTML file. There is nothing in the server.html file. Server.js file. Okay. And then it wants us to open the terminal and go node server.js. Something is not found. Oh no, we need to install. We need to install. Express. Okay, first we create a package JSON with npm in it. This is kind of a file that stores all the stuff we need for when you want to copy this project. And then we install Express. Okay, perfect. Ah, shit. No. Um, not search. Okay, then we give this. Hmm. What is happening? Package JSON. Where's the package JSON? It's here. Gas prices. Scripts. We don't need the second one here. Type module. This one we also need to delete. Okay. Okay, now we can run node server.js. Where's the fucking terminal? Where's the terminal at? Terminal, new terminal. And just run node. Yeah, we will probably install a lot of other packages because the server.js file has not installed fetch and .env, so we will need to install those two. Next time I will just cannot find package node fetch, then we install it. Then we will try server.js, and now .env file is lacking. So we do this. And now we need to install .env. Okay. Then we try to do node server.js. Okay, it's running. Okay, it cannot get whatever. Okay, but this is the problem for the next video, so We will just be doing this step by step, and everything will work out. We will probably need to get access to the API in Germany. It's not so easy. I think you kind of need to ask like a government page, or we can try the American one. Let's see what will work better, and then yeah.